Back down with us, because the view from a few hundred feet turns a whole city into a living map. Highways stretch out like ribbons. Neighborhoods, parks, and rooftops slide quietly past the window. There, a wide river, curving through the middle of it all, catching the light.
The pilot navigates with a chart on the tablet, matching what is out the window to the map. The prize is knowing exactly where you are.
The pilot isn't just sightseeing. They're navigating, matching the ground below to the chart and the GPS. Rivers, roads, and towns all become landmarks, signposts that help a pilot always know exactly where they are.
River country now. Every bend down there is a landmark a pilot can use.
It's a skill as old as flying itself, reading the world below and finding your way across it.
Steady cruise and easy aft, just watching the world go by.
A river and a pilot who knows the way. Next, we chase the golden hour. Aviation Lab. Dream, learn, fly.